Hey y'all, it's Nana and welcome back to my channel. So today is episode 2 of Entrepreneur Life with Nana. So today we're just going to be talking about how to make a website and what you need to do to make your website. I'm going to be talking about two platforms of website, which is Big Cartel and Shopify. So I use Big Cartel because I feel like Big Cartel is easier for me because on Shopify you get a 14-day free trial, and on Shopify you can just start your account for free and then you upgrade. So I did Big Cartel and my URL is nanasbrathouse.bigcartel.com. So when I did that, I pretty much just designed the page how I wanted my page to be, how I wanted my business page to be. I added photos, I added my products. So the first products I ended up adding was my eyelashes, and with the Big Cartel and the free business page that you get, you only can have 5 products on a page. So what I did was I added my main 4 eyelashes, which are Yasmin, Sasha, Jay, and Chloe, and I added those into a collage, and then I added those to the website. And then what I did was I just added the names up under it, like to pick the name, and I added a picture. Because on Big Cartel you only can add 1 picture if you have the free website. 1 picture and 5 products and whatever, so I just did that. And then for my second product on the page, I added 5 more eyelashes, and I put those in the collage too, and then I put the names up under it and everything. And then with my charm bracelets, since I don't have my charm bracelets with me, I went to the website, my vendor's website. Well, I just went to AliExpress. I get my bracelets from AliExpress because they're cheap on AliExpress and they come in bulk. So I get my bracelets from AliExpress, and I just looked at the reviews and I picked out 2 pictures, like two cute pictures that I actually like of the bracelets, and I just put it in a collage and added it to my website until I get my bracelets to take my own pictures. So that's how I'm doing that. And I don't know if a person gonna have a problem with me taking their pictures from off the AliExpress vendor page, because I don't think they're ever gonna find my business page unless, people be like, oh yeah, she took your pictures and other stuff like that. But at this point, I had nothing else to do. I just had to do my page. I had to do my page. So with all of that, I'm just gonna show y'all how I do everything. And my theme for my business page is just pink, white, and black. Like the text and stuff is black. So, oh yeah, and the lashes that I'm wearing today are Dana, if y'all was wondering. So right now I'm just gonna type in my URL, which is Nana's Brett's House. Nana's Brett's House .bigcartel.com. And wait a minute, I put an S again, y'all. I'm kind of slow. So Nana's Brett's House .bigcartel.com. And this is my page right here. At the top it say launch in January 27, 2020. That's my launch date. And then it say products, about the owner, policy, contact, and cards. And then it just has my logo at the top. And then right here you can just add like slideshow photos. I added slideshow photos. So right here we just have my Instagram and whatever. And then we have pictures of me with my eyelashes on. And then we have shop now. And then we have eyelashes that I've posted on my Instagram. And then once you scroll down, you just see the charm bracelets. You get 5 charm bracelets for $15. They're called Bratz Bangles, because Nana's Bratz House. And then over here we have natural lashes, the natural Bratz, the lashes that I was telling you guys about, how I added the 5 styles of lashes in a collage. And then the next product is the 4 lashes, Yasmin, Sasha, Jade, and Chloe. And that's that, and those are $6. And it said coming soon, and then you just add a whatchamacallit. So now I'm just gonna like show y'all how to do it. So just go to Big Cartel. You type in Big Cartel, and then it's gonna say the first one, Big Cartel Easy Online Store, and they also have a mobile app so you can edit and upload stuff from your phone. And they just have examples of business pages and stuff like this, Good Twin, and all of the other stuff like that. And then they have pricing. So this is the pricing. This is why I love Big Cartel, because they are so cheap, y'all. Like, they're really cheap. So Big Cartel plans start at less than $10 a month. So with the $10 plan, you get 25. You can upload 25 products, and you get 5 images per product, free customizable items, sell online, in person, real stat, use a custom domain, theme, coding, editing, Google stuff, inventory tracking, offer discount and runs promo, bulk editing, shipment tracking, and all of the other stuff. And then the diamond features, you pretty much get the same thing, but they added on 3 new features. And then on the titanium feature, you pretty much get the same thing that you get in the other ones, but yep, it's pretty much the same thing. But you just get like tax calculations and all of the stuff like that. But I don't think nobody, like, you wouldn't want to tax people for everything, you know? And then at the bottom it says, if you'd like to give us a test drive, try your free limited feature gold plan. You can always upgrade later to access features. So if you want to do that one, just click on that one. So I'm going to just click on that one just in case. So right here, I'm just gonna make up a fake address. I'm gonna use the Nana Show at gmail.com. Then I'm just gonna make up a password. I just literally typed on my keyboard, and the shop name is gonna be the Nana Show. And then at the bottom you see the URL says nanashowbigcartel.com. Then you just push sign up. And then, so as y'all see on the side, a little pop-up saying Lucy from Big Cartel. You read that when you set up your page, but it says congratulations on your shop. So right here, you just add your first product, pick a theme, customizable, checkout, and all of the other features at the bottom. So what you're gonna do is, first I started off with my theme, and it say customize your theme and all of the stuff like that. So Big Cartel is really easy. Like, you got the header. Header is actually this thingy right here, the Nana's Brat's house. That's the big picture right there. And then repeating background is like the color that you actually want the whole background to be. Like, if I didn't want white, I could like add a photo on there and it would change the color. Then a slideshow is actually the pictures, these pictures that I have right here. So with the background, you can either pick white, or you can just move this thing right here. So I'm gonna just put it that color, and then I'm gonna add my header, the Nana Show, but I'm not gonna have it the Nana Show. I'm just gonna have it as Nana's Brat's house. So with that, it's gonna pop up like this. And then you can just add pictures and whatever. So right now, the secondary background color is the background color that is going to pop up at the top of the screen, or when you add like other features. So secondary background color is where the announcement text is. So this is what secondary background look like. So primary text is the products, the contact, and the cart and whatever. So my primary text, I'm gonna make that white. No, because if I make that white, the secondary background, you won't see it. So I'm gonna make that red. Yeah, I'm gonna make that red. So this is pretty much how you just make your text, and you just play around with it how you want it. Cause mine took me a long time to get mine how I wanted mine to be exact. So to add products to your page, you just go back. You just go back and you click on add your first product, and click on add a product, and then my product name is gonna be Nana's lashes. That's the product name. Or if you have multiple of this item, just put Luscious Lashes. And then in the description, you just give a description of what type of lashes are these. These are 25 mm lashes. They are soft. And nice. And then in categories, you just manage a category. You pick a category and you pretty much make your own category. So I'm gonna just put lashes. So boom, you just added that to your category. So you can pick the status of your item. You can have it active, hidden, sold out, or coming soon. I'm gonna click coming soon, and then you can pick a price of it. So I'm gonna just put my 25 mm lashes are gonna be $10. So you can just put $10. And then with the add individual, like you can add different names of the lashes. So I'm gonna say big bag as a pair of lashes. And then I'm gonna also put bling as a pair of lashes. And you see, you can just continue to add pairs of lashes like this. So with the shipping, you want to pick your country. You can put United States or you can pick everywhere, but I'm gonna pick everywhere. So with that, I'm gonna say shipping is $5 because shipping out of the country and shipping in country might be expensive for you. But my shipping on my website is $2 because I know that most of my orders are going to be local. If not, it's still going to be in the state of Missouri. So it's not going to be expensive as shipping it somewhere else. And most shipping is like $5, $2. Most shipping is $2. So I'm just pick it as $2. So you can, after you did that, it just says save and whatever. But you can also add a product photo. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add a product photo on here. I already have photos on here, so I'm just click the ones that I used earlier. So this is what this looks like that. So what you want to do is now you can go back to your dashboard, and on here it just lets you know everything with it. Like you have 20% of your shop set up complete. So right now at the dashboard you can see the orders, the promotions, the discounts, and then your actual account. So you have completed 20% of your page. It say great job, you added your first product. And pro tip, product set status to hidden to keep working on it's behind the scene. So like if you want to keep your product hidden, if you want to add more pictures or such and such to the product that you uploaded, you can just keep it hidden so you can add more stuff to it. So you see the little check right there that says you have your first product on there. Next, you can go to customize theme. You can set up checkout. So for set up checkout, you can add how you would like to receive your payment. You can accept credit cards with Stripe, use Stripe, and easy accept Visa, Master, American Express cards, and all types of things like that. Or you can use PayPal. Connecting PayPal business, let customers use PayPal's option, like they can connect their prepaid debit cards, they can connect their MasterCard, Visa card, American Express, any type of card they want. You can also have Cash App. If you're running your page from Instagram, you can also have Cash App on there because that's what I'm doing. I'm also doing for like in-person transactions. I take Cash App, I take PayPal, anything that you want to use to pay me for your lashes. So now that I have covered Big Cartel, we're going to be talking about Shopify. So when using Shopify, I've looked up things about Shopify, but I've never really wanted to use Shopify, even though people say Shopify is the best option. But I feel like Big Cartel is the best option for people who just now starting off because Big Cartel is cheaper. Shopify is more expensive, and the 14-day free trial isn't really that long. I would expect them to give you like 3 months free trial just to see how you like it and how things go. But 14 days, I don't think that's enough time to actually see how your business is going to run from this website. Simply because when most people launch their business, it takes up to like a week or 2 weeks to get orders in and stuff like that. When you looking for Shopify, you just type in shopify.com, and I just type Shopify into my Google whatchamacallit. So Shopify, this is what the page look like. It say build your business and enter your email address for a free trial, and they have pricings at the top right corner where it say start your free trial, learn and log in. And then it also says set up your store, pick a plan later, try Shopify for 14 days, no credit card required. And it's a blue button that says start your free trial. And then monthly pricing, basic Shopify is $30. Shopify is $75, which is $80, and then advanced Shopify is $300. So online store, unlimited products, staff accounts, which is 2. You can have you and one other person on there. 24/7 support, sales channels, manual order creation, discount codes, free SSL certification, abandoned cart recovery, gift cards, professional report, and all of this other stuff like that. So this is pretty much everything you can get for Shopify. So right here, I'm just gonna click on start your free trial, and the Nana Show is gonna still be the email address I'm gonna use, and then I'm just gonna pick a random whatchamacallit password. And then I'm gonna create my store. So now that I have created the store, it says sit tight recreating your store and all the other stuff like that. I've never used Shopify before, and it's my first time ever doing this. So if I don't know what I'm doing, y'all beware that I don't know what I'm doing. If you want to go to a different video and watch somebody else who know what they're doing on Shopify, you can. I'm not gonna be mad at you. I'm just here to help you with Big Cartel because I use Big Cartel and I don't use Shopify. So I'm selling just not online. When would you like to launch your store? I'm ready to go. How would you like to sell? Both online and person. Add market store, pop-up shops, and all that stuff like that. What is your current revenue? I'm gonna just say 0 to I'm just getting started. Yes, no, I'm not. And I'm clicking next, and then what you do is you just type in this. So I'm just gonna click, oh shit. So that's that. You see it say the Nana Show, and then this is what Shopify actually looks like. I've never known that Shopify looks like that. I've never used Shopify, but y'all, honestly don't know what I'm doing, so I'm not just gonna explain. I literally just explained to y'all how much Shopify costs and all this stuff like that. It's more expensive than Big Cartel. Big Cartel is cheaper. If you want to use Big Cartel, use Big Cartel. It's cheaper. You get the same thing, but at a cheaper price and at a cheaper rate. So I suggest everybody use Big Cartel instead of Shopify. Shopify really be busting heads and pockets. Anybody got money that we done already spent all of our money on getting all of this stuff that we need for this website. We don't need no more. We don't need to spend no more money, cause honey, at this point, we're broke. We're broke as fuck. Real deal. We broke as fuck. So I hope y'all like this video, and episode 3 will be coming soon as I have my packages and inventory come in. So with that being said, I will catch y'all in the next video.